Hey everyone, happy Monday. I wanted to share with you some new things that I just learned at a continuing education class that I took on mindfulness and stress reduction. So I don't know how many of you meditate regularly. I would love to hear your practices and how that helps you. But I had heard a lot about how meditation helps us in our life. And I learned an exercise that's so simple that anybody can do it anywhere you are pretty much. And you can do it in just a few seconds, or you can take a few minutes to do it. And it actually physiologically helps you calm down and relax. What it does is it actually stimulates and tones your vagus nerve, and that will help you relax. And what I learned is the more often you do it and the more you practice, your vagus nerve actually kind of gets toned, it gets in shape so that you can more rapidly shift from kind of anxious and stressed to relaxed if you do this practice. So try it whenever possible, see if it helps you, and even if it's just for a minute or two. And know that the more you do it, the more it should help. What it is you count your breaths in. You take a deep breath in and you count how many seconds it takes for you to take that breath. So as you're breathing in, you might go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then as you breathe out, you count, and you want your out breath to take twice as long as your in breath. So if your in breath took 4 seconds, your out breath count should be 8. So it keeps our breathing out more slow and controlled, and the breath out, slow and controlled, helps stimulate the vagus nerve. So in 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if possible, if you're in a place where this isn't going to look weird, close your eyes. It's easier to relax without visual stimulation. So if you're able to, close your eyes and take some breaths. Deep breath in, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for you, it might be kind of a more comfortable 3 count in and 6 count out. Whatever it is perfect. And as you do that just a few times, hopefully you'll feel that you can actually relax. Another thing is that just if you're new to meditation, what will happen if you do that for over time, you might notice thoughts creeping in. And you're kind of like, okay, by my 4th breath, I've stopped counting and I'm noticing that I'm thinking about, what I need to do at work later today, or somebody I forgot to email back. That's totally normal and okay. So you just kind of acknowledge that thought and help it move on, like a little rabbit hopping through, and then help it along and go back to the counting and breathing. So we always have our counting and breath, and we can just go back and refocus. Okay, where was I? I was on a breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, breath out. And that's settling the mind. That's bringing it back into refocus, helping us learn in our lives to concentrate and focus and be more mindful. So that's a little practice that I hope is helpful, that you can do anytime, anywhere, 1 or 2 breaths, or spend 5 or 10 minutes doing that and just focusing and calming and centering. And the more you practice, the better you'll get, and the more you'll be able to relax. So mindfulness and relaxation, thank you to that class that I took, and hope that little tip helps you have a fantastic week. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know. I would love to hear from you and how any tips that you have about mindfulness and meditation. Comment below. Thanks. Bye.